Installation of partition wall system. WPS System products deliver higher standards in selection, beauty and performance. No other company can match WPS interior system portfolio of products. With all our interior systems we offer freedom of choice to our customer to experiment with style, color and texture. Material offer in this system is wood, acrylic and glass panel. The freedom to be creative, to mix and match and think beyond just four walls. Our customers will appreciate that we are providing them with the products and expertise to achieve their vision, no matter what your vision may be. Higher standards mean focusing our extensive industry experience to help you navigate the challenging construction market. We pledge to support you with educational, installation opportunities. Tools recommended are 1 7¼ power circular saw or skill saw, 1 power router 1/2" shank for 45° and curves, 1 power trimmer router 1/4" glitz for ease edges, 1 10" sliding compound miter saw for cutting trims, 6" by 10 feet straight edge, 1 small self-leveling line laser, horizontal and vertical, 18-volt cordless impact driver, 18-volt cordless drill driver, 2 number of 8" wood suction cup for material handling, pair of saw horse table. Set up cutting table or workstations in well-ventilated outdoor areas so that any generated dust is carried safely away from workers. If any area with adequate ventilation is not available, an IOSH-approved respirator should be used. To carry a large panel solo, a person should hold it on edge in the middle with arms spread apart for maximum support of the product. Lifting or carrying large panel or trim in a flat orientation may break or bend the product. WPS recommends that 2 people always carry panel products. Workers should hold the panel near each end and on edge. Because of reduced visibility when handling panel products, take extra care to avoid damaging the corners and edges of the panel as well as items and finishes around the work. When cleaning up dust and debris from cutting wood and phenolic material, never use a broom or brush. If the debris material is dry, sweeping dry material may send dust particles into the worker's breathing area. Instead, wet down the debris with a fine mist to suppress dust during sweeping or use a vacuum. When pieces of cutting panel material can be disposed of in normal waste containers. Upon arrival of your order, inventory and inspect each panel and all accessories. If there are any signs of damage, note the bill of lading for the time of delivery and document the damage. Failure to do so can make it difficult to file a freight claim. Send a list of damaged materials to WPS and contact your WPS representative for further instructions. It is crucial that damaged panels, accessories, or packaging be reported to WPS as soon as they are discovered. WPS panels should be transported using WPS standard pallets or crates. Baling bands are to be removed upon delivery. Lift the panels from each stack individually, taking care not to scratch or damage any adjacent panels when removing panels from the stack. Panels can be stored horizontally on a flat surface free of debris, or kept on pallets or crates with supports at 12 inches on center, or less. All horizontal surfaces, including panels and pallets, should be covered with a clean membrane or board to protect the panels from damage. Panels need to be stored in an area that is well covered from the elements, cool, ventilated, and dry. These products must be kept covered on a pallet off of the ground. To begin installation, use a laser level to mark off the extents of the installation area. Expose a suitable substrate as necessary. Verify that walls, floors, ceilings and any other attachment surface are plumb and level. If any of these surfaces are out of plumb by more than 3/8 inch, request that these surfaces are corrected prior to installation. Install bottom edge trim PWS 701. Set angle bracket in its respective location. Fastening to angle connection. Install vertical edge trim PWS 701. Fastening to angle connection. In a similar way, install another vertical trim. Fastening to angle connection. Install first trim of inside corner PWS 701. Fastening to angle connection. Install second trim of inside corner PWS 701. Fastening to angle connection. Fit each trim to the substrate or wall with screw at desired location. Install first trim of outside corner PWS 701. Fastening to angle connection. Install second trim of outside corner PWS 701. Fastening to angle connection. Fastening between substrate and vertical trim PWS 701. Install top edge trim PWS 701. Installation of angle bracket. Fastening to angle connection. Perimeter installation is completed. With a perimeter completed, set the vertical mullions using the angle brackets provided. In a similar way, install another vertical trims. Install horizontal joint mullion trim PWS 710. Fastening to angle connection. All vertical and horizontal mullions are fitted. The aluminum system should now be complete. Sort and index the panels so that they are easy to locate. Elevation view at base edge. Set each panel in its respective location. Once a row is complete, close the row with a capture piece. Once a wall is complete with all caps in place, use the rubber gaskets provided to seal each panel in place. Set rubber gasket to seal each panel into place. Install capture piece PWS 711. Set rubber gasket to seal each panel into place. Plan view at vertical joint. Install capture piece PWS 711. Set rubber gasket to seal each panel into place. This will be a tight fit. If you experience difficulty, apply a little soapy water to the panel side of the gasket. Install all glass panels, capture and capture gasket at respective location. When all gaskets are installed, clean the face of each panel. Wipe down the aluminum with an appropriate cleaner. The partition wall system is complete. Material offer in this system is wood, acrylic, and glass panel. At WPS, satisfied clients are our #1 priority. To best serve you, our customer service department is available during business hours. And we are hands-on partition wall system products installation advisor is out standby. This trusted advisor is ready to answer any question, assist with any install, and provide us with support. Thank you for watching WPS Partition Wall System, and hope we contribute to your benefit. Please visit us at our website, and see more systems installation video and products.